Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a simple console application C Sharp in the Visual Studio 2022. So you have to open Visual Studio, and once you have opened your Visual Studio, you can click on create new project, and there are going to be different templates that it will show. So here I'm going to select C Sharp, and here you can choose all platforms. You can keep all this as is, and furthermore, if we need further filtering, you can select for console. So here there are different console applications that it shows. So if you like to choose .NET Core console app, you can select this first project. But if you like to choose console application for .NET framework, you can select this one. So in this video, I'll show you this .NET Framework console application. So once you click on this and click next, you can give some name for your project and select the .NET Framework version. Right now I've kept 4.7.2 and click on create. So once you click create, it will uh, create the project. Okay, now that this project is created here, you can see that the console application name is shown here, and the program.cs file, and static void main is the main entry for any C sharp application. So let me show you how we can run this. And I have returned my first console application as a message, and here you can click this icon, start without debugging. Now once you do that, it builds your project and it runs your application. As you can see that my first console application message is displayed. So this is how you can create your C Sharp console application with Visual Studio 2022. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.